Hello everyone, this is Monica. Today I will introduce a laser cutting machine to you. This machine is a double platform laser cutting machine, and the biggest advantage of it is its high efficiency. You can cut and upload the material at the same time. So now let me show you the configurations. This machine uses Ricoh's laser generator, retorts control system, and laser cutting head. Each CF is of motor, heavy duty free. This machine is welded from carbon steel of more than 8 mm and 3.0 guide rail. The brand of guide rail and rigs is Haier and YYC. So, if you are interested in our machine, please feel free to contact with us. I will share with you the detailed parameter and price. Okay, have a good time. Bye bye.